I'm making this video to serve as a buyer's guide for the common Dodge truck upgrade pertaining to the steering and suspension. It's the steering box stabilizer. This video I'm going to be focusing on why I chose with the BD Performance Kit versus the others. The reason I went with the BD Performance steering box stabilizer kit was, one, the pitman arm bracket is adjustable, and I bought one for my second gen about 10 years ago. Slide right here, and it's finish on it. It's chipping away a little bit for the most part, but it's introduced to salt quite often living in Northeast Pennsylvania, and I've had nothing but good luck with it, so I didn't want to change brands and just want to keep everything uniform amongst trucks here. Now, looking at the 2012, let's go underneath and take a look at the bar, shall we? Okay. Here's the bar, and this is the bracket I was telling you about that is actually adjustable for the pitman arm right here, as you can see. A lot of kits, actually, this is the only kit that I've found on the internet that has an adjustable bracket. Hopefully the light, I don't know if the light's going to pick those up, but there are two bolts up there that you can adjust after you position this with the pitman arm, and then you want to put this bearing here, and you get a much more, I think, cleaner setup with more adjustability. And that's a big reason why I went with the BD diesel. And the finish on it, it's that really nice rugged gray with the black speck powder coat finish. Powder coat, and it's very good hardware, high grade bolts. Trying to think what else. Install is very simple, straightforward. Did it by myself in about probably half hour or so. I do recommend. It's easier with two people, but and I'm sure with a lift too, instead of laying on the driveway or a roller here. So shout out to you guys that work on your trucks out in your backs and driveways. I feel your pain. Doesn't matter what temperature is. Doesn't stop us from customizing our pickup trucks. So a big reason why people buy those stabilizer kits is because they have the death wobble. This truck, as it sits, has a little over 20,000 miles on it. It's definitely stronger in the steering wheel, I can tell you that. You hit a bump, usually your hand goes like this. Now it's been reduced to about half of that. That's the best way I could give you an analogy of the description. Another reason to get a stabilizer kit for these trucks, I guess, regardless of whatever brand you go with, it strengthens the truck's frame horns. There was a picture I'll include here, the next slide. I was on a popular forum that the guy looked underneath his truck at the steering box, and these bolts here that mount the box. Hopefully the light is okay again. Okay, hang on. Okay, they're the bolts that go through. They were actually stripped out, not stripped out, they're broken on the other side where it meets up with the actual steering box. And that's a nightmare that I'm not willing to, experience. So this stabilizer probably, most likely eliminates any of that flex from possibly causing that issue. And that concludes the reasons as to why I went with the BD Diesel Performance Stabilizer Kit for my truck. Please like, comment, subscribe, and feel free to ask any questions. I'm here to help. Thank you.